Hi, I'm Gloria Coleman, founder of ExitBliss. I am a Portland native. I'm a mother to three really cool kids. I'm spending about 19 hours a day to create the legacy that I want in order to leave this world with more peace and less chaos. My parents died when I was much younger. My father was murdered at the age of 23. My mom died 7 days after she turned 53. Needless to say, neither one of them had an estate plan in place. This is when it dawned on me when I became the death organizer that death is not a one-time event. I have spent my entire life watching families of color argue and bicker. I've seen ugly obituary photos. I mean, people arguing over rice cookers. I mean, all types of things. And this has echoed throughout my life, and I'm tired of it. So what I have done with my company is make an online platform that's a one-stop shop where we can help people make a decision, notarize their decision, and socialize their decisions. This whole thing of life, I mean, the more organized it is now, the easier it is for those individuals that are going to be the executor of taking on the removal of the passing of those who have suffered from loss. It is my firm belief that when you are in a state of mind of grief, you're not thinking straight. There's so many things coming at you. I mean, I remember having to talk to different funeral directors and lawyers and the clergy just to get help because my mom didn't even have burial coverage. She didn't have any type of policy. And so I was here. I was somebody crowdsourcing within a matter of 7 days to get her buried, and it was not fun at all. And so my whole mission in this world is to help individuals of all colors, especially ones with caregiving responsibilities, to make a decision, put a plan in place. We can notarize online because we're remote online notaries. We help you build family agendas, deal with the conflict, we mediate that. So then when a person does decide to go to an attorney, should they even need an attorney, they are saving so much money because they've already gotten organized and prepared. And that's just a little bit about me.